what I understand is that a quarter of all vaccines end up getting degraded by the time they arrive at their destination due to incorrect shipping procedures. And this COVID-19 vaccine from Pfizer that we have moving out right now is even harder to ship than usual. So do you have a sense of how much of it is getting degraded and how much your technology is needed?
Yeah, yes, John. So in COVID-19, I mean, in vaccine shipments in general, right, pretty complex process, right, from production through packaging, distribution, and logistics. Many stakeholders involved along this whole process, John. And what happens is typically, as you move through this chain, many problems could happen, right, from temperature monitoring and quality and the process of kind of delivering right vaccines at the right time. So on Pfizer, we don't have exact data, but these temperatures are very stringent between minus 70 degrees and 85 degrees. And normal vaccines are more like a 2 to 8 degrees. So a lot of manual processes are involved, John, in this process. So that's where the problems come in. And historically, we've been using these data loggers. And data loggers are good for kind of capturing data, but after the fact. So that's where all these Cloudleaf like digital technologies are coming in to give you real-time visibility as the vaccines are moving through the chain.
We're going to have an enormous push, particularly it sounds like in the, well, probably throughout 2021, but in the first 2 or 3 quarters to get this vaccine out en masse. So far, in the last couple of months of 2020, it has not gotten out as quickly as many had hoped. What is going to be the key technology, the key, I guess, contribution that federal, state, and local governments can make in order to make sure that the vaccine gets where it needs to go?
Yeah, a lot of digital technologies. Like I said, the manual processes simply cannot scale. A lot of touch points along this whole chain. And that's where all these IoT sensors, artificial intelligence, and this modern tech is coming in. And there's a rapid push towards deploying that, John. So we're seeing standing up these capabilities so you can see in real time and predict where problems are likely to occur and how do you kind of intervene and stop these problems, and all the way through the storage and delivery. So that's what we're seeing. So digital technologies is the only way to go. Manual processes are too hard to kind of manage and control, especially when you are shipping at this scale. Historically, if you look at CDC data, we ship about 150 million vaccines in the flu season. I mean, today we are mobilizing billions and billions of these vaccine doses. And again, World Health Organization talks about millions of doses, as you said, 25% of them being spoiled by the time they get to the destination, and just simply can't afford that during this pandemic.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.